So to the right of me here, or left on the screen, whichever way you want to look at it. Here is the link to try Oracle Virtualbox. I'm sure some of you scam baiters are already using Virtualbox. Yes, if you haven't downloaded Virtualbox and you want to set up your VMs, don't worry, it's a free download and it's legitimate. You just have to go to oracle.com and then over here it will say that download Oracle VM Virtualbox. So obviously I've already got it downloaded and installed, but I thought I might as well include this step in the little tutorial, live tutorial, or whatever this is. So once you got this downloaded and installed, it's time to set up your VirtualBox. Your Android x86 is what you're going to need. So what you're going to do is go to androidx86.org. So yes, it's androidx86.org. You'll get a page like this. So what I'm going to do is, I think we're going to try Android x86 8.1 R6. To download Android x86, I'm going to download the 64-bit ISO. So it should be about 850 megabytes approximately. Let's go ahead and download that. Okay, so that should be downloading now. Give me a moment. Ah, there we go. It's at the bottom here. Yeah, so this is my Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. What we're going to do here, we're going to create a new virtual machine. So we go to File, no, Machine. We go to Machine, then New. It looks very small on that screen. That's terrible. Yeah, so we're going to name it, I'm just going to name it Android. And then, of course, it's not going to be Microsoft Windows. We're going to choose Other. Other unknown 64-bit is what we're going to go for. How much memory? We're going to give it more than 64. Let's give it 2 gigs. So 2048. Create a virtual hard disk now. Might as well. Select VDI. Dynamically allocated. And I'm going to put it at 8 gigs. Okay. There we go. Then we're going to go to this little icon here. Right. So we are going to go to here. We're going to click on details. Make sure the details are there. Yes, we want to add an ISO file to this. So we choose the disk file. And I'm going to go for the Android x86 we just downloaded. Yes, we're just going to select the ISO file here. Okay, so now when we start to boot this up, ready to install. So let's just click start and see what happens. Okay, so this is it running at the moment. We got the live CD inside the virtual machine. So now we can run Android x86 without installation. We can go into debug mode, or we can install it to the hard disk. So what we're going to do, install Android x86 to hard disk. Okay, so let's click on that. It will just start running. We just close this. Create, modify partitions. Okay, so what I did here is I created a partition on the virtual hard drive that I had set up in VirtualBox. Then I rebooted the VM, and we're now at the screen where we click on Advanced, and then we click on Auto Installation. Okay, it's installing it now. Who knows? We're going to run Android x86 now. Oh, it's made the thing a bit bigger. Okay, so there we go. It's running the Android. Okay, give me a moment. I'm just going to adjust the size of this display here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so now we've got the Android VM here running. Got the emergency call, vision settings, English, United States. We're going to hit start and see what happens. Right, so we've got your date and time, Eastern Standard Time. which is what we're going to use. We're going to pretend we're in Ohio. Then we've got the date, which is the 24th. The time is 3:20. Is it 3:20 over there? Name, John Thomas. And click on next. Google services, we don't want them to track my location. So we'll just uncheck that and click on more. Send system data, we don't want to bother with that. And then we agree with the terms of services. Okay, select a home app, launcher free or taskbar. I don't know what they are. I'm just going to go for the top one. But what have we got here? We've got contacts, we've got the Play Store, which is the most important bit. So we can click on the Play Store and go to any desk or each and everything. Okay, connect to Open Wi-Fi network, virtual Wi-Fi. It may require a reboot for this to go and connect to the Wi-Fi. But first of all, we're going to take a snapshot. Snapshot number 1. It's always good to take a snapshot. Now we want to power off. Well, yeah, look, it says it's connected to virtual Wi-Fi. It's got the arrows going up and down. Okay, network, it is connected to Wi-Fi, virtual Wi-Fi, okay. See if we can try again. Sign into Chrome, sign into Chrome. Checking info. Will it work this time then? Okay, I think we're connected. I think it's online. It just took a moment. Let's go ahead and type in old John Thomas. Next. Okay, Google's terms of service, yada, yada, yada. Now, I don't want to back up my Google Drive. Okay. Oh, it's doing something here. What's it doing? It's downloading something. I don't know. We got the thing here. Let's just close that. Close new tab. Okay. Let's head back home. Okay. So I'm back online now. Rebooted the Android VM. For some reason it won't display the chat or anything, but that's possibly because I'm on offline now. I've taken down the thing. We're gonna edit it, chop it up, all that good stuff. At the moment, I've got the Android VM here running. It seems to be a bit squishy and squashy, but it is. I think it is actually working right now. We click on Chrome, bring up the Google. I'm not sure how it would display on a scammer's machine. I don't know what they'll be using. But we've got the basics here. We've got the basics. That's the most important thing. They're going to ask us to go to, if we just come out of this a moment. Close the Chrome. Yeah, I got the clock on it. They're going to ask us to go to the Play Store and type in either AnyDesk, the AnyDesk remote desktop support software. Just like click on that and install it. Or they'll take us to, what is it, Team Viewer. I think it's Quick Support, isn't it? Because they always say go to Quick Support. Okay, so type in Team Viewer Quick Support. You'll get your Team Viewer remote control stuff. And in fact, if they just ask you to type in Quick Support, it'll be like Quick Support add-on app. Hopefully I've spelt that correctly. Let's type it in and see what comes up. Okay, so yeah, you type in Quick Support or Quake Support or anything, come up with Quick Viewer Quick Support. They'll want you to install it just by clicking, and then you've got other remote desktop software stuff with add-ons and all kinds of stuff. Well, I think that's going to be all for me. Apologies for it being all cut up into pieces here, there and everywhere. Who knows? So, to wrap things up, I think I'm going to put a nice display on with a point-by-point guide of how to get an Android VM working. First of all, if you haven't done so already, go to virtualbox.org and download Virtualbox. Then you'll need to download the Android x86 ISO file from Android x86. Then it's a case of installing the ISO file onto a new virtual machine and just treating it like you would treat a new phone or a new tablet during the installation process. Hope that's cleared all the issues up. If you do have any questions or any ways of how to improve this, let me know down in the chat below. Don't forget to do the normal YouTubing stuff, thumbs up, thumbs down, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now. Stay aware, stay safe,